Did you know you can add footprints of many different observatories onto images in IRSA Viewer and tools like it? If you go up here to the marker pull down, the first choice is just a generic marker. It initially puts the marker at the center of the image you're currently looking, but then at the first time you click, it moves the marker to the location of your click. After that, you can click and drag the marker. If you grab the handles on the side, you can resize it. If you want to change the label or the color of it, go to the layers icon, and here you can change the label or the color of it. You can also delete it entirely or turn it temporarily off. The other choices are all observatory specific footprints. You can add a Spitzer footprint, you can add a Sophia footprint, you can add an HST footprint, you can add a JWST footprint. You can even add a Roman footprint, but to see the Roman footprint, depending on what view you have, you may need to zoom out to see it because it is an enormous footprint. For any of these footprints, if you click on them, when you see this icon, you can grab and drag it to change the roll angle of the observation to whatever roll angle you need.